Hello, I'm Hang Zhang from BXB at ISE 2020. So I'm going to introduce our newest solution for conference and meetings, intelligence meeting and paperless solutions. BXB designed a sleek one panel. All you must have to control a conference or meeting: HDMI, VGA, microphones, and sharing screen, all in one panel, USB power supply. So all you must have to management host this meeting all in one panel. So this is our paperless solutions for BXB. And also we build in AI capture into this system so it can recognize speakers when he is sitting, moving. It can provide every perfect moment. So come visit www.bxb.tw/en, and we have a video available at rAVe. Thank you.